Good morning, dreamers! Simple hack how to double your money 3 times in the next 18 months without doing anything, only and alone investing that money in an asset. And that is invest in Bitcoin. Next year is the Bitcoin halving, what means that the cost price to mine or generate one or earn one Bitcoin from the 21 million Bitcoins that ever will be mined or brought into the market, if you want to earn a piece of it, you have to mine it. And the mining cost price is going higher by next year. Estimated 50, 60, 70, maybe $80,000 at some point. We could see that once a supply shock occurs 6 months after that Bitcoin halving. So literally in 18 months from today, you could make 3 times your money and not even have worked 1 single hour more than you already have done till now. Of course, on the other hand, you also can lose your money if you believe that no one will pay that money. You are actually believing that Bitcoin will not anymore existing from next year on, and if you are expecting that Bitcoin will not exist anymore from next year on, of course you will be losing your money. But if you are expecting someone will use Bitcoins from next year still, then you are agreeing on the $100,000 to even $140,000 Bitcoin price in the next 18 months from today. We are talking 2025, and today we are 30 August of 2023. 2 years just in, actually 1.5 years from today, your life could be amazing, and this could be your daily view. This is not fake, of course. Many people was maybe thinking it, but it's actually real. It's not expensive, you know, but it's here in Phuket. You have the main Phuket towers just here in front of you. You have actually everything what you need, even that silky dress up, and soon the girls are coming on their way. You could be maybe the next.